How to delete or temporarily deactivate your LinkedIn account. Here's how to do it on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now tap Account Preferences. Scroll down to the Account Management section. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, tap Hibernate Account. Then again, tap on Hibernates. Select the reason for hibernating your account, then tap Next. Enter your LinkedIn password if prompted, then tap Hibernate Account to confirm. If you want to permanently delete your account instead, go back to the Account Management section and tap Close Account. Choose the reason for closing your account, then tap Next. But this option does not show on my device. You can follow on your screen. Enter your password, review the information on the screen, and tap Close Account to confirm. Keep in mind that hibernating your account temporarily hides your profile, while closing your account permanently removes it after LinkedIn's account closure process. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated or deleted your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and career advice.